Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G45 and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. Alright, so let's pretend I've got some problems with maybe the Google Chrome with my browser. So let's pretend it's turning off every time I want to power it on. So let's begin with tapping on it and holding it. Tap on it and hold, and then tap on this info icon. First of all, I highly recommend to force stop it. Just tap on force stop and confirm it with OK, because sometimes if the app is still in the background, even though it is not visible in recents, it might interfere the normal usage. So first of all, the force stop, and secondly, the cache. Just go to storage and cache. And here we've got this cache section, so just tap on clear cache here, and your device will immediately remove those junk files, which also might cause some problems with opening. Right now, you can try to open it again. If that didn't work, then enter this section again, repeat the force stop and cache section, and try to soft reset your device. I mean, just power it off and then power it on again. Just press the power button and volume up button together once, not like that. I've just used the power button, both of them, and now just tap on restart and your device will automatically perform this whole operation. And after that, try to use the Chrome again. Basically, restarting it should confirm all of the changes connected with removing cache, etc. Another thing, if that operation will work, I highly recommend to check for the updates. Basically, some older versions might have some problems with normal working. So you will have to open the Play Store. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is obviously required, and then that you've got your Google account added to the device. You can do it right after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the phone settings. We've got tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device, so you can simply check it. So let's go to the Play Store. Let me go back, and the fastest way to check whether you've got the updates pending is to tap on search, and enter the name of the app which you'd like to update. Tap on Chrome in my case, and as you can see here, we've got this information that we've got this app installed, and next to it we've got this update icon. So I highly recommend to simply tap on update. You can also tap directly on this app and then tap on update, and your device will of course download the update. If the updated app doesn't work again, you can try to reset your device again, clear cache, etc. And just repeat all of those previous steps. If that still doesn't work, I highly recommend to simply tap on uninstall. Basically, after updating the app, your device will show you this uninstall option right here, and simply tap on it. Your device will uninstall the app, and after that, tap on install. It should be here. Sometimes installing directly new version, not overwriting the old version with the new one, will help. If that doesn't help, you can also try to check your system updates, because the older version might have problems with new versions of the apps. So then go to the settings, make sure that you've got the internet connection again. Here we have to scroll and find this option, system updates, and then tap on check for updates. And now your device will basically check for the updates. If everything looks good, it means that you cannot download the newest version. But if your device will show you the update, the information about it, I highly recommend to simply tap on download or install. It's not only for this specific app, but also for the security of your device. And I hope that will work. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.